The day has come to its quiet ending. There is nowhere left to rush, nothing left to prove. For these next few moments, simply breathe with me. Take a slow breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold gently. 1, 2. Now breathe out slowly. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tonight, I give myself permission to rest. I do not have to carry tomorrow while standing in today. The weight of this day can gently fall away. With every breath, my body becomes softer. My mind becomes quieter. My heart becomes lighter. I release the conversations that have already ended. I release the mistakes I cannot change. I release the worries that belong to another day. This moment is enough. I am enough for this moment. Peace does not ask me to be perfect. Peace simply invites me to be present. And tonight, I accept that invitation. Every slow breath carries me deeper into calm. Every gentle exhale creates more space inside my heart. I welcome stillness. I welcome quiet. I welcome rest. Sleep is not something I must chase. It will arrive gently, in its own perfect time. My only task tonight is to let go. I am safe. I am calm. I am supported. I am exactly where I need to be. As the night wraps gently around me, I choose peace instead of pressure, gentleness instead of urgency, rest instead of resistance. May my thoughts become quiet. May my body become still. May my heart remain peaceful. And may sleep find me softly. Thank you for spending this quiet moment with me. If these affirmations brought you peace, I invite you to subscribe to Quiet Haven and return whenever you need a place to breathe, relax, and restore. Until next time, be gentle with yourself.